Challenge for an AIP dessert idea this Christmas? Hakuna Matata and stay until the end because I will be sharing to you how to prepare this creamy coconut pudding con mango AIP version. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace, a full-time laboratory scientist navigating through the early stages of Hashimoto's disease, and now an AIP recipe detective. The goal of this channel is to help those who are in the autoimmune protocol journey, or those who are just simply looking into anti-inflammatory and clean recipes, of having options and substitution ideas, of still being able to cook our favorite dishes with AIP-compliant ingredients. But first, dessert. This creamy coconut pudding con mango recipe calls for a cup of coconut milk, a cup of coconut cream, 3 tablespoons of coconut palm sugar, half tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour dissolved in a cup of water, and a pinch of salt. Put it all together in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Continue to stir and allow it to boil for a minute. Turn down the heat and continue to mix until it thickens for about 10 to 15 minutes. And we turn off the heat when it starts to clump. Then we pour it into a container. I have here 4 small ramekins that's about the size of a cup. Then we will let this settle and cool down for a few hours, or we can refrigerate them. While that is cooling down, we will toast our coconut flakes and slice our ripe mango into small squares. We will need to about a 1/4 cup of coconut flakes to toast, just like this. And we toast it until it turns into a nice golden brown color. And a medium to big size ripe mango to slice. Then we're ready to assemble by topping our coconut pudding with our delicious mango and toasted coconut flakes. And we're ready to serve. Ladies and gentlemen, our creamy coconut pudding con mango AIP version. Now let's dig in. Simple but irresistibly delicious. Just a perfect balance of the toasted coconut flakes, the sweetness of your mango, and the melt in your mouth coconut pudding. Indeed, a solution to our Christmas AIP dessert. Check out this other AIP recipe idea and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next week, be healed and be blessed. A warm Merry Christmas to you all and your loved ones.